Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Decentralized AI, Building Autonomous Agent Networks. Imagine a team of robots, each working independently but sharing information to achieve a common goal. That's decentralized AI. Instead of one big AI brain controlling everything, we have many smaller, autonomous agents collaborating. From a developer's perspective, this means building individual programs that communicate and learn together, not one massive program. Each robot, agent, is like a tiny AI program. It has its own tasks, makes its own decisions based on its programming and the information it receives, and can learn from its experiences. Think of it like a simple, if-then, program that can adapt over time. For our robot team to work, they need to communicate. This is often done through message passing. Agents send and receive data. As developers, we design the protocols and systems that allow this communication, like choosing which programming language to use for this message sharing. Many agents together form a network. This network can solve complex problems far beyond what any single agent could manage alone. Think of it as a distributed system. The problem is spread out to many individual agents for parallel processing. Blockchain can provide security and transparency for decentralized AI networks. It's like a secure ledger tracking every action of each agent, preventing cheating or manipulation. As developers, integrating blockchain adds a layer of security to our system. Decentralized AI is used in many fields like supply chain management, tracking goods, smart grids, managing energy, and even creating more resilient AI systems. This means building robust and scalable systems that can handle potential failures gracefully. Building decentralized AI systems has its challenges. Data management, maintaining consistency across agents, and ensuring system security are all important things for developers to consider. Start with simple agent simulations. Use Python and libraries like multiprocessing to create multiple processes communicating with each other. This will give you practical experience in building the foundation of decentralized AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.